Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Today we will be learning some important word in Finnish related to the house. Let's check it out. Talo, 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 house. Tämä on minun taloni. This is my house. Huone is a room which is part of house. For example, living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. They are huoneet, rooms. Olohuone is living room. Talossani on olohuone. My house has a living room. Sofa is a sofa. Istun sohvalla. I am sitting on the sofa. Lampu means lamp. Olohuoneessa on 4 lampua. There are 4 lamps in the living room. Makuuhuone is bedroom. Makuuhuoneeni on sininen. My bedroom is blue. Sänky means bed. Minulla on iso sänky. I have a big bed. Tyyny is a pillow. Tyynuni ovat niin pehmeitä. My pillows are so soft. Peitto means blanket. Minulla on 2 peittoa. Ne ovat punaisia ja vaaleanpunaisia. I have 2 blankets. They are red and pink. Matto is carpet. Minulla on ruskea matto. I have a brown carpet. Pöytä means table. Pöydällä on muki. There is mug on the table. Keittiö means kitchen. There is a lot of stuff in the kitchen. Hella, stove. Pannu means pan. Lusikka is spoon. Harukka means fork. Lautanen means plate. Veitsi is knife. Muki means mug. Vessa is bathroom. When I shower, I use saippua is soap. Shampoo is shampoo. Hammasharja means toothbrush. Hammastahna means toothpaste. I hope this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Heippa!